Hello students, today we are going to start a new topic, that is relation and functions. If I am saying X is the father of Y, or we can say Ram is taller than Shyam. So these are the relations between two persons. Similarly, in mathematics, we also come across many relations like this line L is parallel to line M. So this is the relation between these two lines. If I am saying 5 is greater than 3, it means this is the relation between two numbers. So in this chapter, we shall learn how to link pairs of objects from two sets and then introduce relation between the two objects in pair. For this, we must know about ordered pairs. So at first we will learn what are ordered pairs. Now what is an ordered pair? Ordered pair is a pair of objects or elements taken in specific order. If we have ordered pair A comma B, it means A is related to B. A is called first element, or we can say first component, and B is called second element or second component. A comma B means A is related to B. Now A comma B and B comma A have different meanings. For example, if here we have Sita and here we have Ram. Now if Sita is the wife of Ram, then Ram cannot be the wife of Sita. So in this ordered pair, this order matters a lot. So if Sita is related to Ram, and if Sita is the first element and Ram is the second element, then there is some relation. And if Ram is the first element and Sita is second element, then there is some other relation between these two elements. So it means order matters a lot in this relation. So A is the first element and B is the second element. Now two ordered pairs A comma B and C comma D are said to be equal only if A is equal to C and B is equal to D. So two ordered pairs are equal only if first component of first order pair is equal to first component of second order pair, and if second component of first order pair is equal to second component of second order pair. Now what is the Cartesian product of two sets? If A and B are two non-empty sets. For example, if we have A is equal to set 1, 2 having elements 1, 2 and set B having elements 3, 4. These are two non-empty sets. Now Cartesian product of A and B is always denoted as A cross B. We can write it as A cross B. It means Cartesian product of A and B. And this is equal to set of all ordered pairs A comma B, where A belongs to this set A and B belongs to set B. Like first ordered pair will be 1, 3, second 1, 4, 2, 3 and last 2, 4. So this is the Cartesian product of A and B. Now what is the Cartesian product of B and A? We can write it as 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2. So here we can observe that Cartesian product of A and B is not equal to Cartesian product of B and A. These are equal only in the case if A is equal to B. Now, in this set A, we have 2 elements. In the set B, also we have 2 elements. The number of elements in Cartesian product of A and B are 4. Means number of elements in A cross B is equal to 4. Also, number of element in B cross A is equal to 4. So, we can say number of elements in Cartesian product of A and B is always equal to number of elements in A into number of elements in B. Now, if Cartesian product is empty set, it means either A or B is an empty set. That's why Cartesian product of A and B will be empty set. Also, if Cartesian product is equal to infinite set, this is possible only when either A or B, or we can say both, are infinite set. Then Cartesian product of A and B will be infinite set. Now, if we have ordered pair 2x, x plus y, and this is equal to 6, 2, and we have to find the value of x and y. As we know, 2 ordered pairs are said to be equal only if first element is equal to first. It means 2x is equal to 6 and second component of first ordered pair is equal to second component of second ordered pair. It means x plus y should be equal to 2. Here we have x equal to 3 and 3 plus y equal to 2. So value of y becomes minus 1. Therefore, value of x is 3 and y is equal to minus 1. Now, in the statement, set A is given, set B is given. We have to find Cartesian product of A and B and A. So, what is the Cartesian product of A and B? First ordered pair will be 1, 2, 1, 3, then 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3. Now, number of elements in set A is equal to 3. Number of elements in set B is equal to 2. It means number of elements in Cartesian product of A and B will be 6. 3 into 2, and here we have 6 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Similarly, we can write Cartesian product of B and A. First pair will be 2, 1, second 2, 3, then 2, 5, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. So this is the Cartesian product of B and A. And if set A is given and we have to find Cartesian product of A with A, then we can write it again. Set A as elements are 1 and 2. Now A cross A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2, 2. And if we have to find A cross A, it means Cartesian product of A and A. Then it becomes, because A cross A is this, then A cross A becomes 1, 1, 1. then 1 comma 1 comma 2. Just make pair with both the elements. 1 comma 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 comma 2. Then 1 comma 2 comma 1. Then 1 comma 2 comma 2. 2 comma 1 comma 1. Next 2 1 1, sorry 1 2. Next 2 2 1, 2 2 2. Now number of elements in set A is equal to 2. Number of elements in set A is equal to 2. Therefore, number of elements in A cross A cross A should be equal to 2 into 2 into 2. It means 8. Here we have 8 elements. So, A cross A cross A will be equal to this.